Alright, so we're going to go over changing the brushes, in this case from wet to dry. To start, we will go with the dirty tank and we will swap out the filter. This one is set for wet, which does tell you right there. We're going to swap that for the dry one. When you place the lid, make sure it is sealed. It does affect the suction power of the machine. Next, we'll replace the back piece. Down here, these two clips you push in and pull out. And then this here unclips there. So this is the squeegee we're going to replace. For the vacuum, replace the suction tube. And then just slide it onto the unit and it clips into place. Next, we will change out the brushes underneath. You remove this compartment. Flip down these latches and flip this up. And now you can access the brushes and your debris tray. You can check your debris tray to make sure it is empty. You slide it back in with a little upward pressure and the pin would sit right in the hole. Brushes remove just as easily. You just pull them out. And at the end of the brush, when you insert it back in, it does need to line up with the robot. So these are for the mopping. We're going to swap them out for the carpet vacuum. So you will slide these in with a little upward pressure, and they just slide right on in. And they should line up with those pins very easily. Flip this down. Then clamp. Very easily secured, and then just replace the panel. And then you have switched it from mopping to vacuuming, and you are set.